So after generating over $115 million on Meta Ads for my own clients and businesses, I can confidently say that a huge slice of that came from extracting data from behind the scenes and how the ads worked and which ones did and which ones didn't. Now, this used to take me hours and hours, but Meta recently announced that you can now officially plug in an MCP server into Claude. And what that means for you as a service-based business owner is that you don't need to go through digging inside the ads manager, and what used to take you hours can now be done with one single message. And you just say what you want in plain English, and whether that's pulling your ROAS for the last 7 days, telling you which ads are printing and which ones are flopping, or even building a campaign from scratch, you can do that entire process inside of Claude in seconds. And the best part, it takes about 5 minutes to set up. So this is a full tutorial on how you can set up the official Meta Ads MCP inside of Claude in 2026. So let's hop into my screen so I can show you exactly how you can do it in literally 5 minutes. All right, so you're inside of Claude, and this is what you normally see. You see chat, co-work, whatever it may be. What you want to do is you want to click on Customize on the left side, and then you want to click on Connectors. You're going to see all the things you've connected to, whether you have something connected or not. Now, what you want to do is you want to click on Add, and then you want to add a custom connector. The name that I like to go for is the Meta Ads MCP. And then for the remote MCP URL, what you want to do is you want to type this exactly. So it's going to be https mcp.facebook.com/ads. You have to type this in identical to what I'm showing you right now. Now, after you click add, you're going to see the Facebook logo. That's how you know you did it correctly. And then you want to click on connect. This is going to redirect you now to Facebook, and you're going to click continue. And now you're going to be prompted to give it access to certain things. So the loading time might take a little bit longer, but it's going to say connect Claude to Ads MCP server, which is perfect and exactly what you want to do. So you want to click continue as your name. You want to give it access to specific pages. So for example, and then after you select the page that you want to select the business that you want. And after you do that, you want to select the Instagram that you want. And after you have done that entire process, you want to just click on save. Now, what this is going to do is it's going to give Claude access to Facebook for your specific pages, your specific business, your specific ads manager, whatever it may be. Now, I'm going to use like a dummy ad account that I'm not actively using right now just to show you guys the example. So what you guys want to do is after you return here, just click the plus, click the connectors, and then just make sure that the Meta Ads MCP is turned on. Now, after that, what you want to do is you want to feed it a prompt like this. So I want you to use the Meta Ads MCP server so that I want you to go into the ads manager of this ad account. And then you just put the ad account ID. You just grab your ad account ID from Facebook. And I have a campaign called C2C. This campaign I used to give people access to my free Facebook ads course, which, by the way, you guys can check it out in the description. But for the sake of this video, I'm just going to ask you to pull all the results and tell me which creative was the best and why. I want to do a deep dive on click-through rate and all of these things. So let me just clean this up. And it's going to say C2C. This campaign I used to give people access to my free Facebook ads course, which, by the way, you guys can check in the description. I'm going to just clean it up. I'm going to say, I'm just going to ask you to pull all the results and tell me which creatives was the best and why. I want to do a deep dive on click-through rate and all of these things. I want to know how much I spent and how many people I got to sign up. And then after that, you just want to send that. And then Claude is going to do its thing. It's going to go through all of the data when it comes to this ad account. And I'll just see you guys as soon as it's done. Now, if Claude does ask you to allow access, you can always allow or click the drop down and click allow once in order to give it access to this. Now, I do use this frequently, but I always make sure that I'm only connected to one ad account, one business, whatever it may be, so that I'm not giving Claude like free reign over my Facebook ads manager. I'm still building a product that does this in a much more trustworthy way. Now, even though this is the official Meta Ads MCP, I think it's always important to protect your business from what might be malicious intent or whatever it may be, like you don't want to get hacked or whatever it may be. So let's see, we got the structure, okay? So we spent about $8,800 We had about 478 people sign up to go through the course, which, by the way, if you guys don't know, we've had about 1,700 plus people actually complete the course, which is super awesome. Our cost per sign up was about $18, which is really good. We had about 271,000 people see the ad, which is really good. Our reach and frequency, so we reached about 96,000 people. So the average person saw the ad 2.82 times. Our total clicks was 7,800. Our link clicks was 5,000. So from the 5,000, we had 478 sign up. So that's close to 10%. I'll take that. We had the 9.4% actually. Cost per click was about $1. CPM was 32, which is really good. And the other campaign burnt about $1,500 for 8 appointments at $189 an appointment. I was testing to see here when it comes to the appointments, what people wanted to see in the course because I wanted to add more value to it. Basically, my objective was to build a $10,000 course and give it out for free because my goal is to teach 100,000 people how to run paid ads. And all right, perfect. So this looks good. So we have the winner, ad one, call to action one, or copy one. It's not close. C1 produced more signups, 225 versus 221. On a 34% less spend than C2, which is really good. $14 CPA versus a $21 CPA. That's a 53% gap, which is really good. Why it won? This is the interesting part. It did not win on the front end. C1 and C2 are nearly identical up to the click. Same CPM, same cost per click. Click-through rates within 0.18 points of each other, which is really good. Auction efficiency was a wash. So pretty much the entire gap opens up after the click. C1 converted at about 11.5% of its link clicks into registration, and C2 about 8%. That's a massive thing. So same landing page, same offer. So difference is message to page match. So C1's creative set an expectation that the page delivered on. C2 pulled slightly more raw clicks, and there was lower intent, and that's why they didn't get as many good signups. On the new landing page test, don't read too much into it. I'm going to skip this part. What I do, rebuild around C1. It's your proven angle, everything else, etc. So that's the beautiful part. I'll share a little bit of sauce with you guys as well that is not technically supposed to be part of this video, but I'll just show you. So if you in your connectors connect Higgs Field, which is another MCP server that generates images, you can actually just ask it to do this. Use Higgs Field's MCP server to create for me more ads like the winning creative. And then you can send that in, and now Claude is actually going to use both the Meta MCP to pull the original image, then feed it into Higgs Field, and then actually generate that image for you. So it's going to ask to see the preview of the ad. So we're going to allow that. And then it's going to use Facebook's MCP first. And then once it has the ad, it's going to then pull it into Higgs Field and generate an image like it on Higgs Field with some certain variations for you to be able to test. This is basically taking creatives and basically streamlining the process of creating new winners, which is an amazing thing that we've never had. I mean, I've been running Facebook ads since before video ads were a thing, and this completely changed the game, right? And in fact, if you guys want to learn more about Higgs Field and things like that, feel free to hit that subscribe button because I am publishing 2 videos a week right now pretty consistently. And one of the videos I actually have to be filmed later today is how to create static creatives, which Higgs Field is the category king in at the moment because it's basically a wrapper. It has access to all the large language models that are coming out right now. It updates them for you automatically, and it's not that expensive. It is not cheap, but it's definitely more expensive. It's definitely cheaper than hiring a graphic designer, and you'll be able to see that it's pulling the ad. It needs to import it into Higgs Field as a reference, which it did, and now it's using Higgs Field to actually generate it. It decided to use Nano Banana 2, and it's generating it in 4K, blah, 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 all that stuff. So now it's generating the image in Higgs Field, and you're going to actually be able to get the image right here in the chat, which is incredible. So it's generating 2 images. Let's see what those look like. It's going to take a little bit to generate them. Oh, I see it's generating, I guess, 2 more. So we're going to get 6 images. So perfect. So let's see what this looks like. I'm going to open this image in a new tab. So if you click download, it's going to open in a new tab, and you'll be able to right click and click save as. So I've spent $100 million on ads. I'm giving everything away for free. Learned the secrets of Meta, Google, and AI advertising completely for free. Very good. And this one is a slightly different version of it, which is really cool. You guys can see it's using the same background, different copy. So that's probably what it's testing there. Here's a slightly different format. So open link, and we're going to open the link on this. So we have this and this, which is awesome. So we have tons of good creatives. I see that it's using the same call to action, except for this one. It said learn it all for free. And this is completely for free, completely for free, completely for free. And let's try the last two and see what it's testing here. So we have, I should be charging more for this. Instead, you get instant access. So obviously this one is messed up. It's missing something in the middle, so I'll probably not use that one. And this one, I should be charging for this. I think that the shade here, I'm not a big fan of. And I don't think this one is actually delivering the message. I think this one would probably be better for a retargeting campaign. And I would just make the I should be charging in white. And this one I would just probably scrape. And then all the other ones, I think I would actually even run these. They're really good, very pretty looking creatives. They definitely match the square formatting that we wanted, which is really good. So now it can actually even go as far as building the ad sets and start building things for you. I wouldn't recommend going that far. I would recommend just using it for creating creatives, pulling data, things like that. And now what you can even do is say something along the lines of, perfect, based on the winning creative, can you give me scripts for videos for me to film? And from here, you'll be able to expand upon your business and use the Meta MCP inside of Claude in order to speed up how you're growing your business, generating copies, generating all these things, which is really, really convenient. And I want to show you guys one more way you guys can use it. So script one, the $100 million proof. I spent over $100 million on ads, not my money, client money. And I've watched that what works and what quietly burns cash for years. I could sell you a course on it. I probably should. Instead, I put it all in one place that I'm giving away for free. How to actually think about advertising, how to run Meta ads, etc. Really good. I like that one. Here's exactly what's inside so you know before you click. Module 1, Meta Ads. Module 2, Google Ads. Module 3, Funnels. Module 4, CRM Automation. Module 5, AI. All for free. You can click and get all the login credentials instantly and you're in. Cool. I think this one would be good for either to say in the middle of the ad or to say as a retargeting ad by itself. And then I should be charging for this, blah, blah, blah. All right, cool. I think that's a fine hook. Like, I think that works. And I think you can even expand beyond these, but I think this is a great place to start. Now, the last thing I want to show you guys what you can do with this is you can ask Claude to do two things here. The first one is I want you to give me copy that I can use inside my landing page that matches the ad so I can have the highest conversion rate possible. And that is something that you can do as well in the chat to get really good feedback. And the last one I think is really, really powerful, which I'll show you. It's game changing. It does take a while to get a response back, but it's really, really powerful. So I want you to say something along the lines of this. I want you to build me a web app that I can access and have a dynamic dashboard that is synced to that Meta ad account so I can get my results at any given point in time and be able to change the date and see the results of that timeline as well. So this is what the biggest point of this is we're saving time because I want to be able to find my winners without having to go into the Meta Ads Manager. And I actually can even get things done without having to go into the ads and do things manually. So you can even ask it to do things like change my campaign name to this, change this to that, which is really convenient. Now, a genuine live sync to Meta server hold an access token. It can't be browser page only. Shipping your Meta token to anyone who opens the URL, etc. You'll own it, you'll deploy it once, and then it pulls live whenever you load it. And that's the beautiful part is I'm not gonna wait for this. It's gonna take quite a while. And not just that, if I wanted to actually run it, you guys will have access to my credentials, which I don't want you guys to have access to that. So literally in about 5 minutes, you've got Claude wired straight into your ad account, pulling real numbers, building your campaigns for you on command. You even have dashboards coming up and you have new scripts for video ads and images and things like that. And now that you actually see what your data is coming from and how it's converting, you're able to double down on your winners. But if that data isn't telling you much, more often than not, it's because of what you're saying inside your ad has not been really tested. Most people are making small mistakes like that kill their click before an ad ever gets a chance to actually get you results. So watch this next video where I show you how to fix it and what you should say inside your ads instead so you can start getting results today.